I don't do fake love, but I'll take some from you tonight. I know I've got to go, but I might just miss the flight. I can't stay forever, let's play pretend and treat this night like it'll happen again. You'll be my bloody Valentine tonight. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song. This was requested. So if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can. I can't guarantee I can do all of them, but I'll do them when I can, all right? If I can. Some of them I just can't figure out. So anyway, that's my terrible pitch. Anyway, so let's get into the song. It's in standard tuning and there's no capo, all right? So most of the song is just 3 chords there, but the bridge is different. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the strumming, and the different chords you're going to do. I'll show you where you do them with the lyrics and everything, but stick with me to the bridge because that part's different and it's significantly different. There's a lot of extra chords there. So for this song, like 90% of it, if not 95, is D, A, and then F sharp minor. F sharp minor, you're just doing a power chord on the E string on the 2nd fret, all the way across, and then ring finger, so the point of your finger goes on the 2nd fret, ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string, and pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string. And you should be barring, but if you can't bar it, so you can't hear those bottom strings, that's okay. All right. So the way that you're going to do this is you're going to start with D, and you're just doing most of the song is just like this: down up, well, other than the verses. Down up, 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 down up. Okay, that's the strumming pattern for the intro. Now you can do it for the verses too if you want, but if you do, I would definitely do it softer, because for the intro you're going to be playing it louder. D, A, F sharp minor. Okay, then when you go into the verse where you start singing, you're gonna be still doing D, A, and F sharp minor, but you're gonna be palm muting it. Okay, so you're gonna put this part of your hand as close as you can right here, all right in front of it, and you're gonna be hitting the bass note. So even though I'm playing D, you're still playing up higher. Okay, so you're playing the A and D strings mostly. And then you do that same thing for A. But then for F sharp minor, you're going to be playing it more on the E, A, and maybe D strings a little bit. D, A, F sharp minor. The simulation just went bad. The simulation just went bad. Okay, so you're going to do D on the simulation. At the end of lation, you're going to do, so simulation, lation part, you're doing A, lation just went bad. And at the end of bad, you're going to do F sharp minor. But you're the best I ever had. And then you go to D, like hand, okay? Like hand, Prince. Prince, all right, that end part of Prince, you're going to do A, Prince, wet cement. Okay, the end of cement, right after cement, you do F sharp minor. She touched me, it's permanent. Okay, so you're just gonna play that through that first verse. Then when you get to it's kind of the chorus, kind of the pre-chorus. When you get to the part that's I don't do fake love, I think it sounds better if this part you play it like this. But I think it sounds better. Don't do it loud. Do it softer like I just was. So. I don't do fake love, but I'll take some from you tonight. I know I've got to go, but I might just miss the flight. I can't stay forever. Okay, so you're gonna still do D, A, F sharp minor. So you now know how to play the intro, the verse, and the chorus. All right, so the chorus, I'll show you where for the pre-chorus where you put the chords and stuff. But so you're gonna do D is before I. I don't do is A, do fake love, but I'll take. Okay, take is F sharp minor. Take some from you tonight. In D, right before I. I know I've is A. I've got to go, but I might is F sharp minor. Might just miss the flight. I can't stay forever. Forever is where you do D. Forever, let's play pretend. Pretend is A. Pretend. Treat this night. Night is F sharp minor. Night like it'll happen again. You'll be mine. So right after my, you do D. My bloody Val. Val is A. Valentine. And at the end of tine, you're going to do F sharp minor tine to stay on that. And then you go right into, well, you don't go right into the second verse. You're going to do kind of like D, A, and then go palm mute. Okay, so you're going to do D, A, and then skip the F sharp minor and go right back into the palm muting part. Okay, so you do the second verse same as the first one. Second chorus is the same. Then when you go to the bridge part, so right after the chorus, when they're playing the solo, that's super easy. But you do D, A, F sharp minor. Okay, and you're going to play that twice. D, A, F sharp minor. Okay, so then when you get to the bridge, you're just going to do single strums here. So you're going to do F sharp minor on I can't hide how is E, how I feel about you, U is D, you inside, I'd is A, I'd give everything up is B minor, okay? B minor, I'd give everything up tonight if I, so if I is C sharp minor, which so you're just going to be on B minor, and you just slide up finger for string on the exact same strings and everything. Slide up 2 frets, so you're on 4 and 6. All right. If I could just have you, U is D, you be mine, be mine. So that second be mine is E. All right. So then you just repeat that again, exactly the same. So it goes F sharp minor, E, D, A, B minor, C sharp minor, D, E. All right, and then you go into the chorus, and that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.